Are you looking for a gift for the quilter in your life this holiday season? Let Sanazelle show you some top gifts that they are sure to love. This is the Bernette B08. This is a perfect machine for the quilter in your life. Not only does it have huge throat space to roll up their quilts in, it does free motion, it does regular sewing, and it has the strength to go through anything that they may work on. It has this telescoping thread stand, so they can even use their large spools of quilting thread, which is wonderful. It comes with this extension table, so you have more support when you're laying out your quilts. This is so popular with quilters. Another great thing about the Bernette B08 is it pairs perfectly with the Grace Cutie Breeze. Now, this is a tabletop quilting frame, so it is a perfect way for the quilter in your life to tiptoe into long arm quilting. It gives room to grow. It is most likely compatible with even their current machine. Why is a hoop frame so great? First off, if you have limited space, this can fit on your tabletop, but you can do as large of quilts as your throat space will allow. Because this is a hoop frame, you can just clamp and unclamp your project. So when you quilt this area, you can just move over and move to the next section. This Cutie Breeze, you can see, is accompanied with this tablet. What is this, you ask? This is Grace's new Quilt Motion Foundations X. So this is computerized quilting, but the wonderful thing is that it is compatible with this frame specifically. It does not matter what machine you have. So this will take your quilters' projects to the next level. Does a quilter in your life already have the machine that they love? Well, that's all right, because we have some great accessories to show you too. So let's start off first with this set of Madeira thread. Now, right off the bat, it has this awesome carrying case with it. You have a huge variety of colors, so whatever project they're working on, they are never gonna have to make that last minute trip to the store with their scrap of fabric to find the matching color. It is here. Also, it is wonderfully portable if they are taking it to classes. It opens on the top and it opens on the bottom. Every thread has its spot. Next, we have this Arrow quilt set by Madeira. Now, this is their neutral tones, but they do have a jewel tone set and they have a variegated set. So this is for somebody that loves quilting and they already have a variety of threads, so you are giving them their staples. This will last through a quilt. When we have thread, we have needles. So this is Class A's quilting set. This is a nice little tin that holds them. It is by Class A, and it just has a variety of sizes of quilting needles. Any quilter is sure to need a rotary cutter. Trust me. They are cutting so many lines all of the time. They're gonna need a quality rotary cutter. Now, this is Quilter Select Rotary Cutter. They very recently came out with their Poppie Cotton edition. Look how cute it is. So they do have, if the quilter in your life is not a fan of pink, they do have a standard, just dark silver one as well, so you'll find one that matches their perfect aesthetic. Quilter Select makes a very high quality cutter. You can use it whether you are a lefty or a righty, and it matches perfectly with a Poppie Cotton cutting mat. So Quilter Select does make a standard cutting mat as well that is gray and dark green, but this is their new cutting mat. How cute is it? It will match with their rotary cutter perfectly. And Quilter Select does have a variety of cutting mats as well. So if the quilter in your life needs something a little bit more portable, we have it. You have your Poppie Cotton rotary cutter and your cutting mat. What's next? Your Poppie Cotton rulers. And again, these do come in a variety of sizes. They are made to work with the Quilter Select mats because they have measurement grids on them. You can use the measurements from left to right or right to left, so it doesn't matter how you're positioned. They all three work together in perfect harmony. Now, maybe the quilter in your life already has all of the rulers that they need. Here is an addition that they will love. This is the Quilter Select ruler handle. First off, it has a little suction cup, so you can just adhere it anywhere on the rulers. Quilter Select rulers already come with a non-slip finish on the back, but that, in conjunction with the ruler handle, will make sure that your ruler never shifts and that your fingers stay safe and out of the way. Let's make some space for some ironing. Okay. So here is the Maywood wool ironing mat. Now they do make this in a different size, but this one, as you will notice, is made to fit the shape of an ironing board. It does come with this handy little strap, so when you're not using it, you can just roll it up and tuck it away in your shelf. It does have grids here in case you need to line anything up, make sure that you're pressing your seams open. With quilting, you are pressing seams a lot, so you will want something that will absorb the heat and make it nice and easy for the quilter in your life. With ironing, of course, you will need an actual iron. This is the Panasonic cordless iron. So it has this wonderful little stand. It recharges on this stand. You have a nice little point here, so you can get, if you're ironing your bias corners or something, you can press right up in there. And for traveling, it comes with this wonderful little case. How easy is that? Now, one more thing on Santa's list for the quilter in your life is something to increase their sewing space. So here is Sew Steady's custom acrylic extension table. You can see here that they come in a variety of sizes. This isn't even the only configuration that it comes in. You can have a cutout here for somebody that is only using it for free motion. Sew Steady does custom cut these and they can fit it for almost any machine. So hopefully that gave you some great gift ideas for the quilter in your life. Now, if you want some other suggestions, you can always call into 1-800-687-5175 and I would be happy to help you. Or you can go into any of our local stores and we will make sure we find the perfect gift for the quilter in your life.